Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.1. In today's video, we will discuss about the duplication of records in Studio module. So let's move on to the sales module and let's consider the quotation over here. So as you just move on to the settings here, you can see that we don't have an option to make a duplicate of this record. But if you want to do so, you can simply move on to the Studio module, and under the views, we have a field called can be duplicate. So once you enable this field, you can see you can easily manage the duplication of the records. Now let's close these changes that we have made under the Studio module, and when you just move on to these settings here, you can find the option called duplicate. Upon clicking on duplicate, the record is being duplicated over here. So that is one of the changes that we can find under the Studio module of 18.1. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.